Ooh.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 616 remains in effect until 2 o'clock a.m. Wednesday, and now includes the following counties in Indiana, Lake and Porter, and the following counties in Illinois, Grundy, Kankakee, LaSalle, and Will. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm